Hey, hi everyone. So in this particular video, I will help you to set up your Python environment. Okay. So I hope you all have Python. Okay. So let's set up our projects so we can start implementing code. Okay. Just a minute. So how I'm doing it. So let me show you. So first I created one folder. Okay. So you can create any folder. Okay. So I created a folder with the name of code, and then I'm opening that folder with the command prompt. Okay. So whenever you are starting in a new project, make sure that you created a environment. So what is the environment? First, let me explain you. Then we will understand. So what is environment? Okay, why we need to create environment before starting of any project? Okay, so what is happening actually? Let's suppose this is your system. Okay. So in your system, there will be, let's suppose, there. Let's suppose you have uh, 10 to 12 tools. Okay, I'm just making things easy. And now you are planning to implement a project XYZ. Okay, so in this particular projects, you are not going to use all this tool. Okay, so you just need 5 to 10 tool. Okay, uh, so at the end, what is going to happen? So you will create your projects and you will deploy somewhere. Okay, so you don't want that. You don't want to you don't want to install all tool, because if you install all tool, it will just increase the size of application. So how you can solve this problem? Okay, so you create a separate environment and you just install those tools, or you install those library which are required in your projects. Okay, so I'm not going into so technical. I'm just giving you the uh, simplest way to understand. Okay, so here first we'll create the in a Kunda, sorry, I will create the Kunda environment. Okay, so this is a, I will share the link with you so you can follow this document. This is very well written, so anyone can follow it and anyone can create it. Okay, so how to create the Kunda environment? So the things is very easy. So the command, from the command prompt, you can write Kunda create, and then you write the name of your environment, and make sure that just check your Python version. So you can write here. So how to check your Python version? It's very easy. So on from the command prompt, you can type Python and version. So in my case, it is a 3.9.12. So now I'm going to create the Kunda environment. So you need to write Kunda create, and then write the name of your environment. Let's suppose I am writing calculus. Okay, I'm writing DS cal, and then I'm writing what is the version of my Python. So in my case, it is a 3.9. Okay, I'm writing it. Okay, so once it will be created, okay, so it will take a little bit time to create the new environment. So now you can see it's started. Okay, so you can check your folder in the it will take some time to generate the just a minute. It will take a couple of minutes. Okay, Okay, so we created our Conda environment. So how to activate it? So there is a command Conda activate, and just write your name of your environment. So here I'm writing ds cal. So okay, we need to check the name of the. So okay, just a minute. Let me check. Okay, we created ds. Okay, with a different name. So their name is ds cal. Okay, so now you can see uh, you activated your Conda environment. Okay, so now if you do pip fridge, okay, so you will not get anything. Okay, so there is no library installed. Okay, so if you're not activated your Conda environment, so if you normally if you go and if I will do pip fridge, so you will see there is lots of packages or tools which I have. Okay, so that I don't require in each project. Okay, so these are the this much tools I have actually. Okay, this is like this can be accessed, like these are the tools which you have, which I have in my system actually. So if you're generating a new projects, okay, we don't require, okay, usually this much packages. Okay, so now here you can see, so we can install any of the package if you want to install it, like pip install. You can install pandas. Okay, you can install numpy. Okay, so these are the basic tool which you can install it. Okay, so sorry, we cannot install like this. So I'm installing it. Okay, so just a minute, it will download. Okay, so now you can see your, if you do pip fridge, you can see now you have a pandas. Okay, so you have numpy, pandas, and all other tools. Okay, so I hope you activated your uh, Conda environment. So now we'll start writing first code. So you can use any editor. So in this course, I'm going to use Jupyter as well as I will use Spider. Okay, so it is your choice. Okay, you can use any of the editor. Okay, editor basically is what, like where we write the code. Okay, so okay, just a minute.